Hi, I'm Teacher Vivian, and today we are going to work on patterns. We're going to be working on patterns because we're doing this book called It's Christmas, David. And as you can see here, David is reaching for a candy cane. And that candy cane has a pattern of red, white, red, white. So a pattern is something that repeats. Here we have a simple pattern like the candy cane with two colors, red, green, and they repeat. It can also be a more complex pattern that has more colors. So here we have two light blues, two dark blues, a red, and then the pattern repeats. Again, two light blues, two dark blues, a red, again the pattern repeats, and then it keeps going. So a pattern is something that repeats and goes and goes and goes. It doesn't have to just be colors. Pattern can be animals. So we have a cow, a horse, and then it would be another cow, and then a horse. And then after that would be the cow again. So the cow would again repeat, and it would go on and on and on. So a pattern is something that repeats, that goes on and on. Pattern can also be sounds like clap, clap, snap, snap, clap, clap, snap, snap. But for this pattern, we're going to work on this candy cane, which is red, white, red, white. So here I have two pieces of paper, one scrap paper and a white paper. And then we also have the paper that we're going to do the pattern on. And I have a glue stick to do the pattern. You don't even need a pair of scissors to do this. This is very simple. All you need is the two pieces of paper. And we're going to use our hands to do some tearing. And then we're going to create our pattern. Again, we're going to be doing the candy cane pattern, which is red, white, red, white. So that's why I picked these two colors. But you can do any color you would like for your pattern. And so now I'm just going to use the glue stick, and I'm going to make the shape of the candy cane. And if you look at the candy cane, it kind of looks like an upside down J. So if I turn it this way, it almost looks like a J. And so that's what I did here on the paper with the glue stick. So now I'm just going to get my paper that I cut and put the little pieces. So the pattern is red, white, red, white. And so that's how I'm going to go with my pattern, red, white, red, white. And I'm going to make my candy cane going all the way up and around to make my pattern. And again, like I said, once we're done, it'll almost look like an upside down J. So let's do the top part so you can see what it would look like. And again, you can use any color you want, because I've actually seen different color candy canes in the store nowadays. Some are rainbow colors, some are, pastel colors, which are very light colors. And there we go. So that's the curve of the candy cane. And if we keep going, it'll complete it. And if we turn it upside down, it looks like a letter J. So I hope you like it, and I hope you try making patterns just like David has here on his candy cane. I wonder what kind of patterns you have around your house.